Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome to one of my product unboxing and gardening videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving a first impression of these Arborvitae from Sandy's Nursery. So you can get these off of Amazon. You can get a lot of 30 of them for 15, and we got a lot of 15. So we bought it for about $65. And we got the Green Giant variety. So there's many different types of Arborvitae, and they have different scientific names. In our case, ours is the Thuja. It's a cross. It's called the. How does this always happen? It's called the. It's a cross between Thuja standishii and another Thuja, but some of them are called like Thuja occidentalis. So the reason I'm doing this video is to show you guys what to expect if you buy this. See what it looks like when it comes out of the box. You know, when you get it, you get a card that says, oh yeah, see, it's a Thuja Green Giant. Others might be, Thuja American Pillar, or there's some other varieties I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is the card that we get. And they also give us an information card on the back. Sorry, information on the back with its name, its habitat, sun exposure, tolerances, pretty much everything to know about the plant. This is very comprehensive, so I like that they include this. And these are the actual seedlings or saplings. So they come in little pots like this. These square, they're about 2 inch wide. And right now they're about maybe a foot to a foot and a quarter tall. They look just like this. So the reason that we got these Green Giants is so that we can, most commonly people use Arborvitae as every single time, and this is only when we did the video. Anyway, people usually get Arborvitae to block off their yard from their neighbors as sort of a privacy screen. And we already have Green Giants behind us, separating us from our neighbors. You can see they're very, very tall. There's a reason they're called Green Giants. And they can actually grow quite tall. They can grow taller than this if you don't cap them off. There's an example of a Green Giant that we capped off. You can see it's dying, kind of. But if we let it just grow by itself, it can grow pretty huge. Like, I think right now these are maybe 30, 40 feet, maybe 50 feet. It can grow like maybe twice that. So the reason that we got these is because we want to block off on the other side. Okay, so apparently there's a way to take clippings from the tree and then plant it yourself and it'll root and make your own plant. And there are videos out there on how to do that, but we decided to just buy this instead. This is much easier and also less riskier. And you can see that they did a good job of packaging. All of them are covered in plastic and all of them look green. They're all pretty firm. We'll see that as we take all of them out. And what we're going to do is we're going to, actually I'll just take these all out first. What we're going to do is we have these pots here that we're going to plant them in. Let them grow for a bit, and then we'll transplant them into the ground once they're more mature. So, again, their packaging seems good, so this nursery seems trustworthy. Doesn't look like they skimp out on us. Again, you can buy these in many different varieties and also numbers. You can buy them a single pack, or you can buy a pack of 15 like us. You can even get them in a pack of 30. And since we bought ours for about $65, this means about $4 to $5 per Arborvitae. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Yeah, 15. And look at all of them. None of them have any browning on them. So they all look pretty healthy. So we're going to do another video later when we actually transplant this into the ground, if you're interested in what that looks like. So go check that out. But you can see right now, they all look fairly good. Let me just get this one out of packaging. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I don't know much about Arborvitae, but even I can tell that this looks like a good bunch of them. Yeah, so my mom was like, hey, so you can take a cutting of it and then just plant it and let it root. Why don't we do that? And my dad was like, you know, you're welcome to try. It's gonna take 2 months since you have to do it, you know, June, July, August, and there's a chance that it doesn't even work. So, but you're welcome to try. So that's why we what?
Could have done it earlier.
Oh yeah, but we have it now, so we're going to use it. We're also going to buy another set of Arborvitae. We're going to buy the American Pillar one. That one's so this one's going to end up growing pretty tall and pretty wide. But the American Pillar is going to grow tall but thin. So we're going to put that more in the in a more convenient area, whereas we're going to use the Green Giant more so for the blocking off and using it as a privacy screen. Okay, so this is where we're going to put our Green Giants. We're going to put it here next to our neighbor's yard. Or it's not really our neighbor anymore because the city owns it. But anyway, we're going to put it here next to the spruce. For the first 32 feet, we're going to put the Green Giant. Then for the actually until the end of the yard, we're going to plant emerald green, which are, you know, these ones. Yeah, and so you can see behind me we have this whole project here of building a fence and retaining wall. So these emerald greens here, we're going to dig them up and transplant them on these behind this retaining wall on this raised ground. And you can see we've already started that sort of process. So we're going to take those ones over there, move it here. We're going to do it up to this corner. After which we're going to put these Green Giants and block us from the neighbor, so it gives us more privacy. So you heard me talking earlier about the American Pillar and how thin it grows, even though it grows tall. And we need to find a small enough tree that's shallow enough to fit within this. This is about like a foot and a half of dirt. So there's our options were either the American Pillar or a Thin Man, and we decided to pick the American Pillar. And so this section here is just going to be the American Pillar. So again, it's going to be the Green Giant over there, emerald green, American Pillar, and then we'll put some Green Giants over there, and that should do it. And you know, ideally they grow tall enough such that they block the apartments over there. Yeah, and we also have some more emerald green around. My dad loves emerald green. You can also see these in some of my other gardening videos because I've done a ton of them. But anyway, that's all for this video. I would definitely recommend buying this. You know, we took a bit of a gamble on this, buying this online, but it looks like it worked out for us in the end. So you guys can buy it from Amazon as well. Again, it's about $4 to $5 per plant. You can buy them in a pack of 1, 15, 30, and we bought ours in a pack of 15. Anyway, I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially my gardening videos. And you can see our garden behind us is doing quite well. The raspberries are starting to come in. So, I'll see you then. Alright, I'm Aiman. This is Aurelia, and signing out. Peace.